This is Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're coming to you live on location in New York City. I have with me Erez Raphael from LabStyle Innovations Corp. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is DRIO. Erez, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley, for having me here.
It's good to have you. Let's start out with an overview of the company, if you would.
Yeah, so LabStyle Innovation, in fact, the name of the product is DRIO, is a mobile health solution for people with diabetes. We are providing a highly engagement tool that is providing overall disease management for people with diabetes. And in this era where solutions of health are going mobile, we are providing a very innovative tool that can help digitalize the whole treatment of people with diabetes.
Type 1 and Type 2?
Yeah, type 1, type 2. We're also getting into the prevention area. Yes.
So let's talk about it. Where is this product available right now?
So the product provides a solution that is both software and also device. In fact, we can turn every smartphone, whether it's iOS or Android, to be a glucose monitor and to provide a highly engaging software on top of the platform on the mobile that helps people with diabetes to manage their disease and also to get involvement of their loved ones, their doctors and others to help them support, including the community, to get the support of the disease. We are providing the solution for type 1, type 2, and we can also provide a kind of prevention program for people with diabetes.
So one of the issues that I know of with diabetics is patient management and making sure they test, making sure that they're treating themselves, taking shots when they need them, or taking their pills, whatever goes on. So how does your product help in the patient management?
Yeah, so this is a very important point. So along the years, medical device companies developed tools in one hand. On the other hand, on the therapy side, there were insulin and medication. In between, we think that there is a lot of behavioral things that can help, that if we solve it, can help people with diabetes balance their ranges and get into control. So what we are providing when we are talking about it a lot is the engagement. Engagement means that I know what is happening with my chronic condition. I know whether I need to, how much insulin I need to inject, and I'm getting all the alerts and all the support from the people that are close to me. So in fact, if we are getting, and a cellular phone is something that stick to us 24/7, so it makes sense that this kind of tool will help us also manage our chronic condition. So we have seen that our users, we call them users, although they are also patients, but we refer to them as users because the engagement is with users, and we see that over time, users that are using our solution are getting more engaged, and it can help them with clinical outcomes. And this is what it's all about. It's about the behavioral change.
You still have to prick your finger, right? I mean,
yes.
You still have to take a test, and what do? Feed the test into the software in the phone?
Yes, so in practice, we are providing a very small piece of electronic that can connect over the audio jack of the smartphone. And for pennies, we can turn every smartphone to be a glucose monitor. So practically, we turn your smartphone to be a glucose monitor, and you're doing the test on top of the smartphone. So automatically, your results will be on the smartphone and on the cloud. And for a kid that is diabetic, his parents will get the information in like 6 seconds. It will get into their smartphone. So all the connectivity, the 100% data capturing, the 100% connectivity real time, everything is being done on the smartphone by our solution.
Is it in the United States? What other countries, please?
Yeah, so we are not yet selling in the United States because we are not cleared yet by the FDA. This is something that will happen very shortly. Now we are selling in Europe, we are selling in Australia, we are selling in Canada, and our solution is under the reimbursement in these countries, which means that if you are a diabetic in Australia or Canada or in UK, in most of the cases you can get our device for free, including the test strips, which is a very good thing for people with diabetes that can get a very powerful tool and just not pay for it.
Let me give let me get your website out there for more information. Please, Erez, tell us your website.
Yeah. So our website is mydario.com, and we provide all the websites also in the locally in Australia and Canada and so on.
So it's mydario, DARIO.com. I'm going to introduce Erez Raphael, LabStyle Innovations Corp, publicly traded company, DRIO. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're coming to you on location in New York City. Erez, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks a lot, Shelley. Thanks for having me here.